Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to write a program that creates a list of 5 numbers. Find and print the largest number in the list. This is my list. It is called numbers. It has 5 elements: 12, 45, 7, 89, and 33. And we see the output is 89. So the largest number that we found is 89, which is indeed a true number, a correct number. To get to the largest number in a list, we type down the max function. So this is the max function. And in parentheses, we are going to use the numbers. This is the name of our list, and it is assigned to a variable called largest underscore numbers. And in the output, we are using the print function to print the output, and we are typing down the largest number is, and then we are typing down with the comma, we're separating the message from the variable, and after comma I type down the name of my variable, which is largest number. And then in the output, we see that using the max function, we could find the largest number. So using the max function, simply we can access to the largest number in a list. Thank you for watching.